I have been a law enforcement officer for 9 years. I'm currently assigned as a detective to the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office Violent Crime Unit. On 8/3/2020, patrol officers responded to a person shot in the 9300 block of Norfolk Boulevard. Terise Powe, known as KSHORDY, was found in a vacant lot with a gunshot wound to the lower leg and transported to the UF Health Facility to be treated for non-life-threatening injury. I responded as a violent crime detective to conduct an investigation. No witnesses to the shooting came forward, and Powell did not provide any information to help the investigation. The investigation revealed Powell was located after being shot in a field just north of the intersection of Norfolk Boulevard and Doncaster Avenue. Crime scene detectives collected a blood swab from the ground where Powell was found lying, along with a left shoe and sweatshirt. To the east of the intersection of Norfolk and Doncaster Avenue, approximately 100 feet from where Powell was located, a rifle with magazine was located in the grass on the east side of the roadway. Casings were collected on the near sidewalk between the intersection and the BLM store on the east side of the road to the west of the intersection. 6 casings were located in the roadway. The casings appeared to be from 9mm, but there were no markings advising so. An officer collected touch DNA swabs from the rifle prior to it being collected and processed. On 8/14/2020, the JSO Firearms Lab test fired a rifle and conducted a NIBIN comparison. The rifle test matches a 5.56mm casing found and collected from the scene. This proves that the rifle found at the scene was also fired at the scene. On 9/28/2020, I sent Powell's blood that was collected from the ground along with his bloody shoe to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, FLDE, to be analyzed for DNA. I requested a DNA be compared to the DNA swab from the rifle collected at the scene. I also requested that the magazine from the rifle be swabbed and compared to Powell's blood swab. On 12/15/2020, FLDE analysts advised via lab report that the DNA on the rifle is a match to Powell's DNA from his blood swab. It further advised that the DNA from the rifle magazine also matches Powell's DNA blood swab.